everyone, today let's learn how to fix no reply option in Instagram application. To get started, first of all, you should check new updates on your device. So basically open up the settings application, scroll down, tap on general, tap on software update and check for updates. If you see here some updates, you should tap on install and download. Second solution, go to App Store, then tap on search at the bottom, tap on the search bar here, and of course enter Instagram. Tap on Instagram application, and if you see here update, simply update your Instagram application. If you see here says open, that means you use the latest version of the Instagram application. Alright, third solution is simply delete your Instagram application. Press and hold on Instagram icon and then tap on remove app. Then go to App Store and again install Instagram application. And last solution is completely reboot your device. So basically press and hold on lock button on the right side of your device and reboot your device.
If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comments section below. Hit the like button, tell me so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly, everything else. I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I will catch you guys in the next video.